Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Paramount Plus not working on Apple TV, app cache, sign in and DNS fix. Fix 1. Force quit the Paramount Plus app. You just have to double click the TV or control center button on the Apple TV remote. Swipe right or left to locate the Paramount Plus app. Swipe up on the app's preview to force it to close. You just have to press the back button to exit and reopen the app. Check if the issue is resolved. Fix to reinstall the app. Navigate to Paramount Plus app on the Apple TV home screen. Press and hold the clickpad or touch surface until the app icon jiggles. Press the play or pause button to open the option menu. Select delete and confirm the action. You just have to open the App Store and search for Paramount Plus and download the app again. Then log back into your account using a credential. 6.3. Hard restart your Apple TV. Unplug the power cord from the back of the Apple TV from the wall outlet. Then you have to wait full 60 seconds and plug the power cord back in. Turn your Apple TV on and try the app again. Fix 4. Restart your Wi-Fi router. Unplug the power cable from the Wi-Fi router and wait for 60 seconds. Plug the power cable back in and wait for the internet light to stabilize approximately 2 to 3 minutes. Test the app again for stabilization. Fix 5. Check for updates. You just have to open the Setting app on your Apple TV, navigate to System Software Update. Select Update Software to ensure you have a latest version. Open the App Store to check for apps update. Go to Purchase Apps and find Paramount Plus. Select Update if an update is available. Thanks for watching.